Have you ever felt stuck in life? Like you're carrying heavy baggage, going in circles, and nothing seems to improve? What if I told you that even the mighty eagle, the king of birds, faces a moment like this? Today, we're diving deep into a powerful story of pain, rebirth, and transformation. But this isn't just a story, it's a mirror. It reflects something important about your life and mine. So stay with me until the end. I'll ask you 3 powerful questions to test your understanding and to help you grow inside and out. This is English Fuel, where we learn English not through grammar rules, but through inspiring stories that touch the heart. I'm really glad you're here today, because this story isn't just about English, it's about life. You'll learn new vocabulary, improve listening, and more importantly, understand how to face change with courage. We'll take it slow, with simple language, clear examples, and moments for you to participate. So, let's spread our wings and fly into this incredible journey of the eagle. The eagle is more than a bird. It's a symbol of strength, vision, and independence. In the wild, an eagle can live up to 70 years, much longer than most birds. But to reach that age, something must happen around 40 years old. Let's imagine you're an eagle. You've lived for 40 years. But now, your beak is curved, bent, and dull. Your talons, sharp claws, are weak and soft. Your feathers are heavy, thick, and messy. You can't fly properly, you can't hunt, you can't live fully. Pause for a moment. This isn't just about a bird. Isn't this how we sometimes feel in life? Tired, weak, stuck. Our minds feel heavy. Our habits slow us down. Here, the eagle has 2 choices. 1, give up and slowly die. 2nd, or face the pain and begin the process of rebirth. Now imagine wearing a backpack filled with stones. Would you be able to fly? That's how the eagle feels with its old feathers. The eagle chooses life. But to live, it must change. It flies to the top of a mountain, alone. No help, no comfort. It finds a cliff, a safe space where no one can disturb it. Then, the painful process begins. First, the eagle hits its beak against the rocks, again and again, until it breaks off. It's bleeding, it's crying, but it keeps going. It waits for weeks as a new beak grows back, sharper, stronger. Then, using this new beak, the eagle pulls out its own talons, one by one. Pain, waiting, healing. Finally, it uses those talons to pluck out its heavy feathers. Imagine pulling out your own hair, slowly. Can you feel the pain? But it is necessary. It's the only way to survive and thrive. Over the next 5 months, the eagle waits, heals, and regrows. New feathers, new beak, new talons. After this time, the eagle spreads its wings. It flies again, stronger, faster. It now has the power to live another 30 years. So what does this mean for us? We don't have feathers or talons, but we do carry heavy things, old habits, fear, negative thinking, past mistakes. We can't fly if we don't let go. We can't grow if we avoid pain. Just like the eagle, we must go through our own rebirth, break old patterns, heal from emotional wounds, grow stronger from within. Growth isn't easy, but it's worth it. Take a moment and reflect. What habits are holding you back? What fears stop you from growing? Write one in the comments. It might help someone else too. Let me tell you a short real-life example. I had a student named Amir from Egypt. He was shy, quiet, and afraid of speaking English. One day he told me, "I feel like I'm stuck, like an eagle with broken wings." We worked together. Slowly, he started breaking his fears. Word by word, sentence by sentence, he found his voice. Today, Amir is teaching English to others in his village. His wings grew back, and now he's flying. Wasn't that story powerful? The eagle shows us change is possible, at any time, at any age. It won't be easy, but if you're brave enough to face the pain, your future will be brighter, stronger, and more beautiful. So here's your challenge. Comment below your answers to these 3 questions. 1. At what age does the eagle begin its painful rebirth? 2. What are the 3 things the eagle removes during its transformation? 3. Why do you think pain is necessary for real change? And if there's a word or phrase you didn't understand, just ask in the comments. I reply to every learner who needs help. If this story touched your heart, like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a chance to learn and grow. Until next time, stay strong, stay brave, and keep fueling your English with stories that make you feel alive. See you soon, my friends.